All right, so this is a quick review of the last 5 trading days. So on Friday the 8th, I did $25 in gross profit, which turned after commissions 1601, but still a positive day, only 5 cent gainer on that one. The next Monday is when I wanted to start doing more trades, so that's why there's three on here. So my first trade was a 10-cent winner, but I only used 250 shares, so $25 in gross profit, 17.54 in net. My second trade of that day was only 2 cents gain, which after commissions ends up being a loss of $3.14. But then my last trade was pretty good one. It was really more or less lucky, I'll be honest. It's the one where the price dropped down almost 47 cents or something like that from my purchase price, but I held on to it and it bounced back up, so I was able to make a profit on it, and a pretty decent one. So $43.86 in net profit on that trade. So the day was 58.26. I didn't do any trades on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday is when I took that loss. So I pretty much lost everything that I had gained on that Monday. $56.37 in net loss there. And then I didn't do any trades on Thursday. Friday was Good Friday, so there was no trading that day. The markets were closed. But this is the totals down here for the last 5 days. So our capital right now is sitting at 599.84. Net profit for the week was only 17.90, which is pretty terrible, but it is still profit. Total trades only took 5 trades. 3 of them were winners, 2 were losers, and that gave us 60% win percentage. It's only because we had a positive win percentage that we were positive on the month or on the week, because our average gain right now is only $25.80, and our average loss is $29.76. So a $4 difference there. And if anything, you want your gains to be higher than your losses. But of course, with a bigger win percentage, I'm able to get by with at least a little bit of profit. So really need to work on those two things right there. I need the gains to be bigger, the losses to be smaller, and it wouldn't hurt to have a higher win percentage either. So that's the last 5 days. If I look at the total for the last 10 days so far, so the total time from April 1st, um, it's not looking too terrible, but it's not where I want it to be. So right now, in gross profit, we've made $126, 58.65 in commissions, so that puts our net at 67.35. If I can at least keep above $125, that's how much the platform fees and stuff are at the end of the month. So I can at least break even if I keep doing what I've been doing. I should have more than $125 in there, but the goal really is $1,000, and I'm still sticking with that. So hopefully in the next 2 weeks we'll be able to bring that up quite a bit. But our total trades here has been 8, with 6 winners, 2 losers, and that gives us 75% win percentage, with our average win over the last 10 days being $21 and our average loss being $29.76. So that's, again, that's something that I was just talking about, for this last week was pretty bad. So I need to make sure that my average losses are smaller and my average winners are bigger. And a 75% win rate is pretty good, but you can always do better. So hopefully all these numbers right here will come up, and that should give us a bigger net profit by the end of the month. So that's where I'm at so far over the last 10 days and the last 5 days. So I hope you enjoyed the quick review there. I appreciate you watching. Thanks.